In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your product key in Windows 11. Whether you need it for reinstallation or any other security reason, knowing how to locate your Windows product key can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, start by heading over to your Windows search bar. If you're unfamiliar with where this is, it's typically located at the bottom left of your screen, beside the Start button. Once you're there, go ahead and type in CMD. This stands for Command Prompt, which is a very powerful tool in Windows that allows you to execute commands. Once you type CMD, you'll see Command Prompt appear as a result in your search. And the next step is crucial. You'll want to run this command prompt with administrative privileges, so right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is important because some commands require elevated permissions to execute them properly. A window might pop up asking for your permission to allow this app to make changes to your device. If it does, simply click Yes to proceed. With the command prompt running as an administrator, you now have the necessary access level to retrieve your product key. In the command prompt window that appears, you'll want to type a specific query. This query is designed to extract your Windows product key from your system. It's a simple line of code that the command prompt will understand and execute for you. Go ahead and carefully enter the following command into the window. WMIC Path Software, Licensing Service, get OA3X Original Product Key. Make sure you type this command exactly as shown, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. After you press Enter, the command you entered will run. Give it a moment, and shortly you should see a string of characters appear. This string represents your Windows 11 product key. It's typically a series of 25 characters, split into 5 groups of 5 characters each, separated by hyphens. This is the key that was used to activate your Windows operating system. And it's an essential piece of information if you're planning on reinstalling Windows or verifying the authenticity of your software. And there you have it. The process is complete. You've successfully located your Windows 11 product key using Command Prompt. Be sure to store this information safely, as you'll need it for any future installations or troubleshooting. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy computing!